I'm Princess Shairelle Reyes.
I'm Nicole Sigua.
Puchero.
I'm Mikael sa Manalig.
And today, we are solving a real-life math problem using Polya's four-step method. This method helps us think clearly and solve problems step by step. The four steps are understanding the problem, devising a plan, carrying out the plan, look back, and check. Let's apply this to a common situation, riding a jeepney. Ready? And let's begin. The first problem, you are riding a jeepney and the fare is calculated based on the distance traveled. The initial fare covers the first 4 kilometers and every succeeding kilometer adds an additional cost. The initial fare is 12 pesos and each succeeding kilometer costs 1.50 pesos. If your journey covers 8.5 kilometers, how much should you pay for the jeepney ride?
For the first step, understanding the problem. Alright, here's the situation. You are riding a jeepney. The fare is 12 pesos for the first 4 kilometers. After that, every additional kilometer costs 1.50 pesos. Your total journey is 8.5 kilometers. So the question is, how much should you pay for the ride? We need to figure out how far you traveled beyond the first 4 kilometers and how much that extra distance costs.
Step 2. Devise a plan. Let's break it down. First, subtract 4 kilometers from the total distance to find the extra kilometers. Then, multiply the extra distance by 1.50 pesos to get the additional fare. Finally, add to the base fare of 12 pesos. That should give us the total amount to pay.
Third step, carry out the plan. Let's do the math. The total distance is 8.5 kilometers and the extra distance is 8.5 kilometers minus 4. That will give us 4.5 kilometers. The extra costs will be 4.5 times 1.50 pesos equals 6.75 pesos. The total fare will be 12 pesos plus 6.75 pesos. That will give us 18.75 pesos. So you should pay 18.75 for the jeepney ride.
And for the last step, look back and check. Let's double check. The first 4 kilometers are covered by the base fare. You traveled 4.5 kilometer beyond that. Each extra kilometer cost 1.50 pesos and 4.5 times 1.50 is indeed 6.75 pesos. Adding that to the base fare of 12 gives us 8.75 pesos. Everything checks out.
And that's how we solve it using Polya's method. We understand the problem, made a plan, carried it out, and checked our work. The final answer is 18.75 pesos. Now, our problem 2. You have two jugs, one that holds 5 liters of water and another that holds 3 liters. Using only these jugs, can you measure exactly 4 liters of water? Explain how you will do it.
For the first step, understand the problem. Here's what we know. We have two jugs. One holds 5 liters and other holds 3 liters. There are no markings on the jugs. Our goal is to measure exactly 4 liters of water. We can fill, we can empty, we can pour water between the jugs, but we need to be precise.
For the step 2, devise a plan. Let's think strategically. We want to end up with exactly 4 liters in one of the jugs. Here is the idea. Use the 3 liters jug to fill the 5-liter jug in steps. When 5 liters jug is full, it will have 5 liters and 3 liters jug will have some leftovers. If we carefully track what's left in the smaller jug, we can isolate 1 liter that we can use that 1 liter to help us measure out exactly 4 liters.
For the third step, carry out the plan. Let's go step by step. First step, fill the 3-liter jug completely. Second step, pour the 3 liters into the 5-liter jug. Third, fill the 3-liter jug again and then pour it into the 5-liter jug until it's full. Since it already has 3 liters, it can only take 2 more. Now the 5-liter jug is full, and 1 liter remains in the 3-liter jug. For the fifth step, empty the 5-liter jug. Next is pour the remaining 1 liter from the 3-liter jug into the 5-liter jug. Second to the last, fill the 3-liter jug again, and finally, pour all 3 liters into the 5-liter jug. Now, the 5-liter jug has 1 plus 3 that will be equal to 4 liters.
For the last step, look back and check. Let's verify. We used the 3-liter jug to fill the 5-liter jug twice. That gave us 1 liter left over, which we saved. Then we added 3 liters to that 1 liter, making exactly 4 liters. The steps are logical and we did not spill or guess. We've measured exactly 4 liters using only the 2 jugs.
And that's how we solve it using Polya's method. We understood the challenge, made a clever plan, executed it step by step, and confirmed our result. This puzzle shows how math and logic can solve even the trickiest problem. Great teamwork, everyone!